Here we are, loaded up, headed out to Morganton, Steele Creek Campground. Got everything hooked up. We'll see everybody shortly when we get there.
Oh, Sadie Mae.
Okay.
Sadie Mae.
What you doing?
So proud.
Yeah, she is.
She was rubbing it in
That's
her
good.
hand.
It's Sadie.
Yes, it is. Good job. High five, high five, high five, high five. Hey guys, Steele Creek Campground. Just a quick spin. Oh, there's Ray. There's Olivia, Sadie, and Brinley down there going. Will is talking about my cooking style. There's the rest of the crew just hanging out, camper set up. Will's gonna tell us a little something about these. He was talking about my style of cooking.
What we have here is not just regular potatoes, we have heart attack potatoes.
Why is that?
Because they're regular potatoes chopped up, put on a griddle, but the kicker is bacon grease. A heart healthy meal for to start your day, recommended by the American Heart Association.
So what he's saying is basically, see, I cook bacon on here first. You take the grease out, it's full of grease, then we just take and pour it on top. That's what you fry your potatoes in. Very good.
Bacon fried potatoes.
So let's just come around the back here. So what we got set up, got a little stream. They got some going through all these. Nice little spot. All right, he talked about my food. Now it's for the tasting time.
Time for the taste test of the heart attack potatoes. It's like a really good French fry, but it has bacon. Now, Chef has recommended trying it with A1 steak sauce. I could not imagine French fries with A1 steak sauce, much less heart attack potatoes with A1 steak sauce, but we will give it a try. Honest to God, very first time I've tried this. It's a little A1-y. But I'll tell you what. I'll try it again. That's some good shit.
There's some more people.